Hello class, this is Dr. Kamal, your professor for Business 250. It's called Analytics 1, and it is followed later by Analytics 2, and then Business 350, and then Business 450. If you are if you are seeking a bachelor's degree in business analytics, this course is required, and all three courses will be required for you. These courses are extremely important. This one is very important. It relies on Excel, 100% functioning Excel. If you do not have Excel, or if you do not have a functioning Excel, you will have a hard time keeping up with this class because it's just required. This is how it's based on. This is how it is. The course discusses and provides a foundational knowledge in analytics and how to use Excel tools to get insights from the data that you are analyzing, and these insights are supposed to help you make informed decisions or be able to solve problems. This is the main objective of this course and the following course. This course builds on 1 week after the other. It is not separate weeks, so if you miss something out, you will be having a hard time catching up. So you have to stay in pace of the class. There are several objectives. I will not cover these. You can read them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and to shoot these questions to my email. It is the quickest and best way I can get back to you. Some students send me instant messages, and I may not be able to see them just because the system could clutter sometimes. But the best way to get me is through email, and you have my faculty email in my introduction. I'll go over it in a little bit. The first week will cover an introduction to business analytics. I would provide you throughout the weeks with videos that I have on my channel. I'd like to invite you to subscribe. These are very beneficial. Other students use them and they love them, so I would really like to invite you to do that, or subscribe and watch them. The second week we will discuss the spreadsheet applications and how to use the spreadsheets to make create information, creating charts in Excel. In week 3, week 4, descriptive statistical measures. Week 5, probability distributions and data modeling. Week 6 is sampling and estimation. Week 7 is statistical inference. And week 8 is predictive modeling and analysis. All these are very interesting and very important topics. Very quickly, on the discussion, I want you to go to discussion 1 and be sure you read the start here post. This is very important for the expectations of the class, basically saying that you need to participate in a timely manner to the discussion questions. It has to happen in the active week. If you post something after the week is over, it may not earn any points. Words are not counted, but there's some guidelines here if you'd like to use them on how substantive the postings are. The main response should be from around 170 to 200. The individual responses to your fellow students between 100 and 150. Meaningful, relevant, substantive posts, as if you are engaged in a discussion with your friend, discussing the material or the topic one-on-one. Basically, this is what we'd like for you to act and get engaged in the class topics. In the homework, there are information provided to support you for the homework, but you must use Excel to submit the homework. You cannot use Word. This is an analytics class that uses Excel, so you are expected to submit your homework via Excel. Lucky for you, there are templates provided where you can use and submit using the templates, the Excel templates provided. One good thing about these templates is that you can solve on your own and then use the template and compare where you made mistakes possibly, and this way you can accelerate your learning and solidify your learning of how to use Excel. Going quickly to the assignments, for example, assignment 1, there is a description of the assignment here. So this is the description of the assignment. It is from chapter 1 of the business analytics, and quickly make sure you have the business analytics USA second edition. If you get the international second edition, it is completely different. You will be lost. So be sure that you have, buy, rent, whatever, acquire the second edition, the USA second edition, not the international edition, not the first edition, not the third edition, just the second edition, USA second edition. It's very important because many students get confused about that. Each assignment, week 1 all the way to week 7, you are giving a homework template. This is the Excel homework template that you will need to fill in blanks. If you open the file, for example, this template, and you will go over the cells, you will fill in the required information here. These are there's a video about this. I will show you where the videos are at in a second video. This is what you need to fill in to get the answers for each. So you will need just to fill in the blanks here and read the instructions, and so on and so forth. So there is a homework template provided for you. You need just to fill in, understand what you need to do. There is, if you don't have the book for some reason, there is the problems. They come from the book and they are listed here. You don't need to send this back to me or submit the Word documents. But if you for some reason do not have access to the problems while working on the homework, they are here. What you need to submit is just the Excel homework template after you fill it up. And that is in a nutshell the overview of the syllabus and the assignments and the discussions. If you have any questions, again, please send me an email. This is the best and the quickest way, again, to get back to you. Good luck. I'm available, approachable anytime, and I respond very quickly. Looking forward to seeing you in class. Enjoy, and we'll see you soon.